ass. Hell yeah. They look good.
Damn, boys. Here we go. Here we go, boys. Here we go. Shit's getting real now. Shit's getting real. Boys, rolling down the highway on another mission, boys. Gotta get some hoodies for this Lake Ozark bike fest here in 2 weeks. I don't know, it's coming up fast. I'm not that great with dates, honestly. I think it's the 13th, you know what I mean? But this video will be coming out well after that. But definitely gonna get some badass hoodies, Mobbin Supply hoodies, first ones. They'll be the OG hoodies, ready to go. In the cage today, boys, in the cage.
I'm in the cage, let me out.
Here we are, boys. Fast Yobi. Looks like they have badass hoodies, high quality. You can get some riding hoodies, man. We ride motorcycles a lot.
Yeah.
So we're wanting to get some riding hoodies and get like training on them, you know what I mean, for our riding crew. So looking for some kind of tough and durable, you know what I mean? So, and one cool and baggy too, you know what I mean? So
I would say
dry fit hoodies usually.
Oh,
are,
yeah.
You know, dry fit or anything like that, or work hoodies are usually good, you know, like.
there's some of our stuff that we have, like the stuff that we have over here is like our most popular.
And then some stuff you just have online.
Yeah, like online. Yeah, so we have the Rain Defender, Carhartts, all the way up to in.
We'll see. Yeah.
Do you want to know what we're talking about?
And then if you can put that little thing on the end.
Yeah, let's go over the car. Yeah, sure. Right there.
And it kind of has more of like that.
Yeah, I had.
Not yet.
Okay. I was gonna say, we put these upside down. Because when I'm riding, you want to be able to actually read it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, absolutely. One and we'll have those ready for you on Thursday. And then I'll email those designs over to you.
Yeah, we can go for it.
So you just gotta keep on asking. Got what I wanted. Alright, boys. Just gonna grab a little lunch. Changed my mind. Well, I didn't change my mind on lunch. Had a little Hawaiian Brothers. You know how good this is. Perfect every time. Here we are, boys, at the old tool bench again. Got something in today. Just a little sneak peek, boys. Check it out. Hell yeah. Mobbin Supply, boys. Riding hellbent for leather. We'll show you the rest of it later. That's just a sneak peek. Jayden went and picked them up today. Hey boys.
What's up?
What up? Got something in the mail today. It was left on the front porch when we got here. You guys don't know what it is, but we do. It's gonna improve the whole situation. Don't know if you guys noticed, what we're wearing might be the first edition OG Mobbin Supply. Right, hellbent for leather. Like and subscribe, boys.
Hell yeah.
Like and subscribe, boys. For real though, we could really use everybody's support.
Definitely.
We're going at this thing as hard as we can. We're just honestly trying to follow in Thrashin's lead, and just really doing what they do out there, trying to do what they do out there here in the Midwest. And we're having a really good time doing it too, boys. You guys ready for this? You guys ready? You guys ready? I didn't slip up and tell them what it was, did I?
No.
I didn't slip up, did I? Oh, no. Bam, boys. Here we go. Here we go, boys. Here we go. Shit's getting real now. Shit's getting real.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. All that, oh, we're gonna go on the ride and then y'all don't get to see the ride. Oh, not no more, boys. Not no more. Not no more. Insta 360, baby. We got the mounts for the bikes. Oh, it's gonna be, oh man, it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be, what is it gonna be? What's it gonna be, boys?
Damn, I didn't realize this one had the screen on it too.
Yeah,
That's legit.
it's legit. We're gonna get it all set up, get it opened up. And then, you know, if you guys want to throw a comment, we're really wanting to do a giveaway, like when we get to a number of subscribers.
Certain number, not
Certain
decided
number,
yet.
not decided. I don't know, I'm thinking maybe, I don't know, 500. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. I think we'll probably give away, the first giveaway, we'll give away one of our hoodies. This is a Carhartt, it's a rain protector, so it's gonna protect you in light rain. You know what I mean? It's an awesome hoodie. I mean, to get a hoodie like this with the quality, I mean, obviously we're gonna have them available soon, but we wanna give the first one away.
Yep.
Give the first one away. I think we'll just do, unless people think we're being stingy, first 500 subscribers. When we hit the first 500 subscribers, the first 500 will go in the drawing, and then we'll give away one of the hoodies, whatever size you are. So. Oh my God, boys. It's easy.
Oh, just to put on your handlebar? Yeah.
Oh my God.
No, it's just like my thumb thing.
Yeah, it's screwed up.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be harder than that.
The question is where you gonna screw it on it? Right here?
Oh, we got the option. Boys, I don't know, can you, am I in the shop, boys? Hell yeah.
I'm so confused. Oh, these must be like washers or something.
Oh, what's this thing, my friend? You're right, it just, oh yeah. Of course it adjusts every direction. It's a mother-loving Insta 360 with the motorcycle pack, boys. We are good in the hood. Put it where we want to. Just wanted to make sure. Just wanted to make sure that we could put it wherever that we wanted.
So what the hell is all this extra stuff?
Man, that's for stuff that we ain't gonna worry about right now. Success.
As far as I can tell. Gotta put on a charger and see what's up.
Dude. Buddy, dude, bro. Ace.
Oh. Hell yeah. Just pop that baby on there.
Yeah.
We just pop that movie record in there.
Yeah.
Do you want me to? If I can.
Alright, let's put it. Let me see it on there real quick.
Please do not remove the speaker cover. Okay, that's the speaker.
Get your motor running.
Pull up the badger.
Head out on my way. Looking for adventure.
Yeah, we'll look at the instructions.
And whatever come my way.
I had fun before I delved into it.
Yeah, I want to just see it real quick.
Or we'll delve into it together because I actually want to know how this thing works. Because if I get one, I want to know how it works.
It's so just,
God damn,
It's
it's
so-
not everything.
dude, it's just so dialed. Just
Hey, you got the screen right there?
dude, it's fucking, it's dialed.
It's so cool.
Can I control it with my mind? That's the only way it could get any better.
You can connect it to your mic with your card up.
Yeah. And
I know
control
that.
it with my mind and my mouth.
That's legit. That's dope. It doesn't even look bad. I don't know what.
No, dude, it's fucking Insta
Doesn't look
360.
bad.
Everyone's gonna be like, oh, hell yeah. Shit, I might just get one, man. Pretty cool.
Yeah, no, they're real cool. So legit. Might do a little, check this out. Check this out, guys. Watch this. Watch this. You guys want to see some cool shit? Watch this. Watch this. Oh! Y'all didn't know I could do that, did you? Hell yeah. Keep on watching and ride hellbent for leather, boys.
Oh yeah.
Catch you later, boys. Catch you later. Shit, boys. I just checked the views on the Where's Juan video, and we're over 1,000 in, what, 3 hours? 4 hours. 4 hours. So we're over 1,000 views. That's our fastest growing short. Guys, you know, if you haven't seen it yet, when we air this, it's going to be a while before we air this, obviously. But, dude, check it out. Where's Juan?
Where's one?
Where's Juan, mother? At first? No. Where's Juan, boys? Where's Juan?